Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to request time off through the employee portal in Gusto. Now, whether it's for vacation, sick day, or a well-deserved break, this video is definitely going to help you out with that. So let's get into it. Step 1, log into your Gusto account. Now head over to gusto.com and log in with your employee credentials. And once you're logged in, move on to step 2, which is to go to the time off section. Now from your dashboard, you want to click on time offs in the sidebar or under your profile tab. So check under your profile tabs or the sidebar and find time off, and then click on that, and then you're going to select request time off. So click the request time off button, and a form is going to appear where you're going to need to enter the details of your time off. Step 4, fill in the details. So just go ahead and choose the type of leave. You're also going to choose the start and end dates, as well as to add a note if needed. Step 5, submit your request. And now that you're done filling in the details, just click submit request, and Gusto will notify your manager or admin for approval, and you're going to get an update once it's reviewed. Bonus tip, you can also check your remaining PTO balance right here on the same screen. And that's it, super simple. Next up, we're going to talk about how to access your benefits information in Gusto, so stay tuned to that video. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.